Hi friends, my name is RAJASEKHAR Reddy, and if you are seeing my video for the first time, just don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. In this video, we are going to see how exactly we are going to install Jenkins in our EC2 instance, Amazon EC2 Linux system. For that, what I am trying to do, just now I log into my AWS console, and here I am click on that EC2 instance. What I will do is, let me create a EC2 instance. Just scroll down, you can see that there is a launch instance option is there. Just click on launch instance, and here I am selecting the free tier only. After that, select Amazon Linux 2 AMI. There are different types are available. I am selecting here the T2 micro, it is free tier eligible. After that, configure instance details. Here I am selecting only one instance and leaving everything as default only. After that, review and launch. Click on launch. After that, it is asking the key pair to select. It is asking the use an existing key pair. Let me create a new key pair here. I am giving as Jenkins. Download key pair. You can give the any name, any key pair name. It's fine. Now you can see that Jenkins.pem file is downloaded. Just close it. Launch instance. It will take for a while in order to create EC2 Amazon EC2 Linux system. Meanwhile, what I will do is let me connect this EC2 instance to putty. What I will do is let me first open the putty gen here. Putty gen in order to convert that PEM file to .ppk file. What I will do, just load it. Load that Jenkins.pem file here. Just open. Just if any warning is there, just give the access. After that, I am saving it as a private key. Save private key. Click on yes, and giving the same name here, Jenkins, and Jenkins only, and the extensions will be Jenkins.ppk file. What I will do is let me open the putty here. Putty. Give the host name here. Just in order to connect through putty, you need to give the public DNS name or public IP address we can give. What I will do is let me running instances here. You can see that it is trying, still it is not started. What I will do is let me give the name here, Jenkins. I am giving the instance name here. It will take for a while in order to still you can see that the status checks initializing. Whatever you can give the public DNS name or you can give the public IP address, anything is fine. What I will do is let me take the public IP address here. Go to your putty. Give the host name, and what I will do is in order to connect it, just go to in the category SSH authentication, just browse that ppk file here. This is the ppk file. Just trying to open it, give yes. It is trying to asking the username. Give the username as EC2-user. Now I am able to connect to my EC2 Linux AMI system. What I will do is, let me check whether still it is up and let me refresh it. Still it is not started. What I will do is, in this video what we are going to see is, we are going to download and install Jenkins on our Amazon AWS EC2 Linux system. After that I will show you how to connect to putty. After that, how to access Jenkins from our browser, how to start and stop Jenkins, how to uninstall Jenkins finally. These are the steps we are going to see in this video as part of this video. For that, what I am trying to do is, we have connected, the first step is we need to connect our EC2 instance to putty or any SSH client. We have done with the first step. Second step, what we need to do is just let me check my EC2 is up and running or not. Now we can see that the status checks is 2/2, so that you can confirm that it is up and running. What I will do is, before installing it, Let me update the packages here. Sudo yum update -y. It is trying to update all the packages. Meanwhile, what I will do is, first, in order to install Jenkins, you need to have Java must be installed in your system. First, let me check whether Java is available installed on our machine or not. TCT instance. Let me clear the screen. Java -version. It is saying command not found. We can confirm that Java is not installed in my machine. In order to install the machine Java, if you want install any specific version, give the version name, version here. Otherwise, you can leave it as default all. If you don't want to give any specific version, just leave it as sudo yum install Java. Then it will download the version. And here I want to download only Java 1.8 version, so that's why I am giving the version name. Click on enter and give as y. It will take for a while to install. Once Java got installed, we need to download latest Jenkins code packages from this link. Let me copy this URL here. You can see that. Let me clear the screen. Let me check the version, Java version. It is installed Java 1.80 version. Let me update the packages here. Give this URL. The packages got updated. Let me use this one. Import a key file from Jenkins-CI to enable installation from the package. What I will, let me copy this command. Click on enter. It got updated. What I will do is, let me update the package one more time. Sudo yum update -y. The packages got updated. Let me clear the screen. Now I am installing the Jenkins. Sudo yum install Jenkins. Give here. Click on enter. Yes, why? Now you can see that it is trying to download the packages, Jenkins packages. Once after that, we need to start the Jenkins. You can see that still it is downloading. The 90% completed. You can see that now Jenkins got installed in my machine. Let me clear the screen. Let me start the Jenkins here. Sudo service start Jenkins. You can see that Jenkins got started. Let me access through browser. You can access through browser by using this public IP or public DNS name. Here I am using public IP only. Give the IP address here. :8080/ click on enter. Why it is not able to connect? Because just go to your EC2 instance. Here we need to change the security group in order to connect to that port number. What I will do is just go to actions, networking, change security groups. What I will do is not here, just go to your security groups. Let me add the inbound rules here. Edit, add a rule, SSH. What I will do is I will allow all the traffic, and from any port number I am trying to give the access. Click on save. Now what I will do is let me execute the access from here. Now you can see that now I am able to see the Jenkins dashboard. In order to get the initial password, just copy this location here, go to here, cat give the location here, click on enter, sudo cat, give the location. We got the password here, right? Just copy this password here. Come to your browser and give the password here. Click on continue. Just install suggested plugins here. It will take for a while to update the to install all the suggested plugins here. You can see that all the plugins are installed. It is asking the create the first admin user. I am giving my name RAJASEKHAR and give some password and confirm that password. Give the full name here. I am giving the same name here, RAJASEKHAR. Give the mail address here. Talk to RAJASEKHAR@gmail.com. Click on save and continue. And close. Save and finish. Start using Jenkins. You can say that finally the Jenkins dashboard we are able to see. If you want to create any project, just click on create new and like that. In the upcoming videos, we are going to see how exactly we are going to create a freestyle project, live pipeline project with the AWS EC2 instance, and we will deploy Spring Boot applications through Jenkins. And we have completed these 3 steps here: how to access Jenkins from browser, and finally we need to how to start on. We have started the Jenkins, and finally how exactly we are going to stop the Jenkins. If we want to stop the Jenkins, we need to type this command sudo service Jenkins stop. Let me use the command. Click on enter. Let me go to the browser and check. Let me refresh it. Now we are not able to access the Jenkins. Why? Because we have stopped the Jenkins. This is how we stop the Jenkins. If you want to uninstall Jenkins, what we need to do is we need to use this one. Sudo yum remove Jenkins. Click on Y. Now Jenkins was deleted. If you want to remove the libraries and everything, just use this command. Copy. Whatever, let me clear the screen. All the logs and everything. If you want to remove all the data for Jenkins, just use this command. Now you can see that everything got deleted. And I'm recalling this video what we have learned as part of this video. As part of this video, we have seen how exactly we are going to download and install Jenkins on AWS EC2 Linux. Before installing Jenkins, we have installed Java. And once we have installed Java, we have installed Jenkins. After that, how exactly we are going to access Jenkins through browser, we have seen. In order to access that, first we need to allow that port number in the security groups in the EC2 instance. Then we are able to access. After that, I have started my Jenkins. And after that, I have stopped the Jenkins. And we have seen how exactly we are going to uninstall Jenkins also. And that's it for this video, guys. And if you're seeing my video for the first time, just don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Thank you, friends. Thank you for watching.